In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. When you're ready, look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now enabled. In order to disable it, tap on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, tap on display section and scroll down. Then tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!